Here it is given, write each of the following decimals in words. Okay. So first 0.03. So we can write it as 3/100th. Okay, as 3 is in 100th place and any other number is not there. So directly we can write 3/100th. Okay. Then 1.20. Okay, so 1 is a whole number, so we will write 1. Then after point 2 is there, so we can write 1 and 2/10th. Okay, as 0 is there in 100th place, so no need to write this one. Okay. Then 108.56. So we can write it as 108. This is the whole number and 5/10th and 6/100th. Okay. Then 10.07. We can write like this also, 10.07. Okay. But 10 and 7/100th is more appropriate. Okay, so we will not write like this, we will write like this. Correct?
Okay.
Then 0.032. So we can write it as 3/100th and 2,000th. Okay, or we can write it as 32,000th. Okay, both we can write. Which is convenient for you, you can write that one. Okay.
Okay.
Then 5.008. So we will write 5 and 8,000th. Okay.